Hi YouTube, what's going on? So for those of you that have been following me, some time ago I shared videos on earning money from applications, okay? And what you can see right here on my screen is a screenshot of some of the notifications that I get from the application, and these notifications come in your phone, and they're gonna remain on your notification bar. And whenever you have some free time, you can sacrifice some few seconds and complete the task, and then you get the money. As you can see, in one of those notifications is this one where they're asking me to complete some few tasks, a survey, and I'm going to get as much as 0.81 in a single click. Okay, so this is an amazing opportunity, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you which app is giving this notification and how you can complete it in your region and earn some money. As a bonus tip, I'm also going to expose you to other applications which have been paying in other areas, okay? But this one, which I want to talk about right now, is available worldwide. And if you have some free time, you could earn some small amount of money, and over time, you're gonna accumulate a good amount of money. Before I told you that there are billions of dollars online, and part of this money can be yours, just in case you know exactly what to do while you are online, okay? So guys, on this channel we share a whole lot of opportunities to earn money from online, okay? We share opportunities that could earn you as much as 158 to over 500 USDT from online as a side hustle, right? We equally share first-hand information on what is happening on the crypto industry, okay? Now, just in case you want to earn money from side hustle, kindly hover over our channel and watch our videos, all right? These videos are going to earn you some good amount of money from online, okay? And just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, they're gonna come right on your inbox, okay? All right, so this application which I spoke about some time ago was the Pound application. That is the Pound.app, Pounds.app, okay? So this application is one of those applications which you get to complete tasks on daily basis and earn some money. Tasks could be subscribing to them in order for them to use your unused internet and return some profits to you. This one, you really don't need to perform any tasks on daily basis, but it accumulates from the background and you're gonna earn. And then on daily basis, you're also going to be receiving notifications like this, which to tell you to complete tasks or surveys and earn money. Now, the good thing about this application is that whenever you receive these notifications, they're gonna tell you how much you earn. This simply means, just in case they send you an offer of probably $0.01, you will see that this is a very low amount and you can decline. However, if they send on daily basis or hourly basis, they will send so many offers to you, and whichever one you consider best for you or fit for you, you can do and earn while looking at or while paying attention to how much is the bid. That is completing the application or the survey, how much you're gonna earn. They will tell you. In that way, you know whether you participate or not. Okay. Now, as a bonus tip, other applications which are currently paying is the Eureka, okay, otherwise called the social loop. So many people have been earning thousands of dollars from there in terms of Canadian dollars, US dollars, and other local currencies. Okay, so whichever one you think suits you with respect to your free time, you can go over there and start earning. Okay, all right. So that is all for the update for today, and bye bye for now.